Ugh. Looks like this guy hasn't been around in a while. Oh yeah, yeah, that's a nice one.
Baby. There you go.
There you go. We got the skunk off the boat. Should I push us off? Like 3 pounds?
2.5.
2.5.
Make it 2. The guide.
Oh, look at the El Bendo on this 5-weight. I love it. That's a pretty decent bass.
Good 3.
Do you think that's 3?
Yeah. Watch it. No angles, no tangles. These fish pull here.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
It's been a while.
That's why I like fishing here. Fat. Healthy. Got him on the bottom. Barely. That one.
Come on this
What's
side.
your tippet?
12 pounds.
Okay, you're good.
So I can horse him a little bit. Man, these guys don't quit, do they?
No, these fish are fun. I should have pulled my line out. Idiot, I did.
Doesn't want to give up yet. Get you on this side of the
Barely
boat.
got him. Barely got him.
You know that? I think
3, 2.5, 3. Nice, nice.
Wow. Yeah.
How'd you do? That's how you get them. Man, that rod is bent.
Yeah. That's why I love this rod.
That's how that fish is gonna keep a tight line there. He's got thoughts of leaving.
Yeah.
Giving you the circle. I can get a look at him here. Good, good, good. Cool. All right.
You want to come this way? Come this way, pal.
Now he's
I'd
gonna
actually
swing you the other way.
I prefer you to come this way.
Another 3 pounder.
Jeez, these guys are tigers. I like it.
Yeah. That's this lake. This lake, these fish pull. Yeah, see, I mean,
Jeez.
he's telling you where we're going. He's fat. No. Come on, right?
Oh.
Broke off. No, came off.
Came off. That's cool. Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah. It's a
What's
bass.
that? Dog. Cool. No angles, no tangles.
Smaller one. Huh?
Still good.
Actually, no, it's a cat. First cat on the...
Sure is. Now we catch cats.
First cat on a fly wall. It's not caught yet, but...
Oh, you'll get them. Is this your first cat on a fly?
Yeah, first one.
What did I say?
Yeah. Get out of there.
Yeah, they're tough too.
Yeah.
Real tough fish. Slimy.
Yeah.
Real slimy.
£3.